I will continue, sir.
Not very well. There's a lot of insecurity about me.
Okay, but health-wise, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm surviving.
We can talk about it.
Which one?
We're here for the judicial proceedings.
The political solution now, we are waiting for federal government.
You need to ask for the proceedings the last day.
Absolutely.
We're here for the judicial proceedings.
We're here for the...
We can address the other one.
with that later. And we have written a letter to them that they have not replied.
Okay, no problem.
They've not responded. Yes, they have not responded. I met with Attorney General at and mind you, the political solution was a solution actually suggested by the Supreme Court.
Okay.
Then the judgment. And most of you journalists should take time to go through some of these judgments and then come to your conclusion. Go through all the rulings and the judgments. You know we have no case to answer to.
Very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Not very well, just survive.
So, quick question. The last time you were in court, you talked about out-of-court settlement. You wouldn't mind. So, has that made any progress towards that regard in terms of...
my lawyers, you're going to be patient to actually tell you that.
But you've been able to meet with them after that particular day.
Have you dealt with this very issue?
No.
Which one?
So what she has asked earlier, just the interview is known that she is one of the senior judges in this court.
Yes.
What if,
And I have respect and love for her. She knows.
what if this case comes back to her? Because she said no.
It is not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Thank you very much.
The rules change when it comes to what.
You will understand the vacuousness, the emptiness of all the charges against me.
Okay.
They kept switching the charges. Yes. They said I committed this crime in England, isn't it? Yes. I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me, this place where I committed this crime was London, United Kingdom.
Yes.
When my lawyers came to see me, I had a
defense.
discussion with them about how I'm going to defend myself. I told them that no court in Nigeria has jurisdiction to try me. Because since this offense was committed in England, so they said, it's only a UK court that can give a Nigerian court the authority to proceed, isn't it?
Yes. Based on that, they removed London.
Based on that, they now amended the charge again and removed London.
Location of the broadcast.
Location of the broadcast. Contrary to section 196?
174 of the Terrorism Prevention Act 2022.
In violation of their own laws. In violation of their own laws. And you want me to stand trial under such circumstances? Is that possible? Nnamdi Kanu to stand trial where all these shenanigans are going on? It's not possible.
Because
Don't take time to actually study some of these rulings and judgments. Go and study. In fact, I'll give you.
Bring the envelope. Bring the envelope.
To use my name to gain relevance. Yes. I don't want it. No killing. I don't want any killings, no kidnapping. All this nonsense are alien to us as a people. I don't know where these animals came from. They are taking advantage of the fact that I'm in detention. But it will soon end. They know what IPOB stands for. IPOB is one family. Any idiot trying to leech on IPOB, trying to use the name of IPOB, trying to subvert the will of the people, our principles and our core values, that person has a lot to contend with when the time comes. You can run, but you can never hide. You can run and hide and be talking all manner of rubbish, but one day we'll catch up with you.